Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Taskbar settings immediately. Right-click the taskbar and choose Taskbar settings. Once there, make sure you're signed in as an administrator so you can apply system-level changes. If your goal is smaller icons, this step begins the process. Windows updates can change available options, so confirm you're on the latest build before proceeding. You don't need gimmicks. Just verify permissions and access the settings pane now, because the next steps modify appearance and layout. Now you'll change the actual size and layout. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar, and expand taskbar behaviors. Choose options like hide labels or use small taskbar icons where available. If the small icon toggle isn't present, you'll adjust scale via Display Settings. Reduce scaling to 100% or 125% to shrink taskbar elements. Once done, restart Explorer or sign out and back in to force the UI to redraw. This makes sure your changes take effect immediately. For a final reduction, you'll edit the registry. First, back it up by exporting the key. Then open Regedit and navigate to hkcu/software, /Microsoft, /Windows, /current version, /Explorer, /advanced and create or edit a word name taskbar C. Set it to 0 for smaller icons, 1 default, 2 larger. Once you change it, restart Explorer or reboot to apply. If things go wrong, restore the exported key or set taskbar C back to its previous value. That single troubleshooting move usually fixes layout regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.